The crisis in the Ukraine has struck a chord in the global community. People and agencies from around the world have been working around the clock to find ways to help.
The LA-based drone developer Draganfly is shipping 10 medical response and search and rescue drones to war-torn Ukraine. The drones will be used by the nonprofit relief agency Revived Soldiers Ukraine, which is dedicated to providing aid to the people of the war-torn country. The drones will be equipped with temperature-managed payload boxes that can transport up to 35 pounds of blood, pharmaceuticals, medicines, vaccines, water, and wound care kits. They will be used to deliver such key material to hard-to-reach and dangerous areas, of which there are many right now in Ukraine.
Draganfly, it's a company that specializes in drone solutions, software, and AI systems. They're now aiding the humanitarian crisis in Ukraine.
And guys, important news is an understatement. As the global UAV leaders in hardware, software, logistics, and services, Draganfly isn't your recreational drone company. This is what we're talking about. This is massive. Draganfly receives order for critical life-saving drones from Revived Soldiers Ukraine for immediate deployment to the Ukraine. Unbelievable.
So how can the sieges be broken? How can the human suffering be mitigated?
As there's been some reports of, Chinese drones being used by Ukrainian forces that Russians can target very easy. The idea here is that we want to save people's lives. By allowing us to have these drones that bring in these 35 pounds of medical supplies that aren't as easily targeted or by enemy fire or combatants and such, is something I think is going to help change the theater over there for disaster relief and humanitarian reasons. We've done a lot of military contracting work before, so we know how to build these types of drones. And then the other issue is, they shared with us some incredible video of, Chinese drones that they were using to do search and rescue being targeted. So they've had to abandon all of their consumer-bought Chinese drones and go to a US-made professional-grade drone like Draganfly, and they've selected us, and so we can't get them over there fast enough now. We're hoping we're going to get hundreds and hundreds of them into theater as quick as possible.
As Russia's war in Ukraine intensifies, the need is growing to get life-saving medical equipment in. Cameron Schell, CEO of North American drone maker Draganfly, filling an order for 200 specialized high-tech drones costing $15,000 each, contracted by the humanitarian organization Revived Soldiers Ukraine to be used to carry medical supplies and medicines like insulin or other necessities like blood, all without risking human life.
We have a drone solution that can fly over 5 miles, keep people out of harm's way, fly by wire, and deliver up to 35 pounds of medical equipment to exactly where it's needed.
Cameron, thank you, sir, for being here. I appreciate it. All right.
We want to thank Revived Soldiers Ukraine for selecting Draganfly for this all-important call to action that exactly matches our corporate mission to, above all else, save time and lives.